Hey everyone! Welcome back to My Health, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we have a super fun and interactive episode lined up for you. It's a game we all love, Would You Rather? But with a twist. We'll be comparing junk food versus healthy food. So, grab a snack, hopefully a healthy one, and let's dive right in. Alright, here's how it's going to work. I'll present you with two options, one junk food and one healthy food. You have to decide which one you'd rather eat. Feel free to play along in the comments below. Ready? Let's go! Would you rather munch on some delicious, crispy French fries or a refreshing bowl of mixed berries? Tough choice. While French fries are tasty, mixed berries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. So, which one would you pick? Next up, would you rather indulge in a cheesy slice of pepperoni pizza or enjoy a vibrant, fresh garden salad? Pizza might be your go-to comfort food, but a salad can give you a burst of energy and essential nutrients. What's your choice? Now, would you rather sip on a fizzy can of soda or a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice? Soda is a popular drink, but fresh orange juice is packed with vitamin C and natural sugars. Which one quenches your thirst? How about a sweet treat? Would you rather snack on some colorful gummy bears or a handful of mixed nuts? Gummy bears are fun, but mixed nuts provide healthy fats and protein. What's your pick? Lastly, would you rather enjoy a regular chocolate bar or a piece of rich, dark chocolate? Regular chocolate bars are sweet, but dark chocolate can be a healthier choice with less sugar and more antioxidants. What's your decision? That was fun, wasn't it? Remember, it's all about balance and making healthier choices whenever you can. Let me know in the comments which ones you picked and why. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to My Health for more awesome content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.